Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Heyo, and welcome to Tiny Treasures. It's springtime, which means we get to plant seeds in the garden so that we have fresh fruits and vegetables to eat in the fall. Tinky Winky loves carrots. Let's plant some carrot seeds. Poe loves lettuce to make salads with. We all need our greens. Let's plant the lettuce seeds. Now we just need sun, water, and time. And we'll slowly see our seeds grow into plants and eventually vegetables. Ooh, carrots and lettuce. Time to pick. Oops. Fresh garden veggies. And now it's time to plant seeds for my garden. Here are my seeds. There's some lettuce seeds and bean seeds. I'll also plant some tomatoes. And instead of using plastic containers this year, I'm going to put my seeds in these coconut husk containers, which is much more environmentally friendly. And I'll dig my dirt out of the garden with this shovel, also called a garden trowel. Let's go out and fill these with dirt. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello, Tiny fans. Here at our house, the kids and I love arts and crafts projects. Tiny Treasures Mini loves to felt. It's a little penguin and a cute little koala. And when Tiny Treasures was younger, they made this cute ladybug out of clay and painted it. They had it glazed at a local craft shop. We've also made recycled paper. And look at all of the colors. You can even add glitter or flower petals or even seeds. And you've also seen our glitter bottle. Just give it a little shake. And look at all of that glitter floating around. Now I know you love to do arts and crafts too, so we'd love for you to share with us what you create at home and tell us why you love Tiny Treasures. And you might see your arts and crafts pictures on some of our videos. Submit your photos of your arts and crafts and the reason why you love our channel to Tiny Treasures and Toys at outlook.com.